What's the meaning of alkali? Alkali. 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 Alkali.
Alkali refers to a chemical compound that possesses a pH value greater than 7 and can neutralize an acid. Common examples of alkalis are sodium hydroxide, NaOH, and potassium hydroxide, KOH. When an alkali is mixed with an acid, a chemical reaction occurs called neutralization, which results in the formation of a salt and water. This reaction is exothermic, meaning it releases heat. When handling an alkali, it is important to use protective equipment as it can be corrosive and harmful to the skin and eyes.